So we are just thinking to just experiment about the कैसे देख रहा है जाहिल खाएगा क्या. So hello everyone, welcome to another video. So today is the first day of our shooting. Today we are going to shoot our first short film. So today is Friday as well. So we will pray first and then we will go for shooting. Today specifically we will focus on experiment like some shooting angle because this is the first time that we are doing this, and some editing stuff as well. And we are taking with us this tripod and laptop as well. So we can just transfer the data from one device to another. And yeah, that's it. Let's go meet you at the location directly.
2 hours later.
So here we are at the location with Hamad Tariq. Say hi, hello to the viewers. So we have chosen this location right here. These stairs, and the electricity is not here, so we don't have a light here. But today we are just experimenting. Obviously, we will do the shooting at night, and to make it more natural. So we are starting out. Can you show the mobile? This is a camera from which we are shooting, and so this is the thing. Let's meet you after the shooting. That what type of shoot we captured and what we did. So meet you after that. So here we are done with the shooting, and now we have export everything on. So here we are at our home. We are finally here. We are done with the shooting, and the shooting went pretty good, I guess, as it was our first time doing something like that without any equipment. So yeah, we did it, and I was just editing some clips, and I realized that there were a lot of mistakes, like the mistakes of the angles, and we were doing very rapidly, so we needed to focus on that as well. And obviously, it was an experiment, so the purpose of that is was that we need to find mistakes that we did. So yeah, there's the thing. Now I've called Hanzala. He will come at my home after Maghrib. As you can see, the time is already 5:30, like about 5:30. So we will be waiting for him, and then we will go for some other editing stuff. And obviously, we need to change so many things on the script as well after this experiment. So let's see how it goes. So here we are with Hamad Tariq. Please say hi, hello to the viewers again. He's very shy, I know. So right now we are just examining everything. This is the hard drive, and there's a folder short film, and this is all the videos that we shot today. And not only that, this is the vlog of today, which I will gonna edit. So now let's talk with Hanzala that how did he feel today um, doing the acting.
Feel good, feel interesting, and ready to shoot complete.
Means
I'm
he's
very
very
excited.
excited,
Yes.
and we are doing apart from watching all those clips, this is the script which I can't really show you right now because we are still working on it. But as we will release our, like, as we will complete our editing process, shooting process, you will get updated. So just subscribe and turn on the bell notification if you have watched till here. Nice. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please say bye to the viewers.
Bye bye. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Subscribe. Turn on bell icon. Allah Hafiz.
Bye.